Mesdames et messieurs, meine Damen und Herren, ladies and gentlemen from all around the world, dear friends, dear tourists that are preparing to come to Serbia. Welcome to Serbia and welcome to Belgrade. Of course, when you come to a foreign country, you should know at least a few words of local language. Oh, here are my friends. Desi, brat. Bravo. Desi, brate. So, well, first of all, when you come somewhere, you have to learn how to say hello. In Serbian language, you would say dobar dan. Dobar dan, which means have a good day. Like bonjour in French or guten tag in German. Or you can just say zdravo.
Zdravo.
That's how you wish your friends to have good health. It's a nice wish, of course. If it is morning, you should say dobro jutro. Dobro jutro.
Dobro jutro.
Or in the evening, dobro veče.
Dobro veče.
That's nice. Or in slang, just like we did it a few seconds ago, you say desi brate, which means hi bro. Desi brate. Usually we don't kiss, but if we don't see each other for quite some time, then we share a kiss. We don't kiss 2 times or 4 times like in France. We kiss 3 times. So if you want to kiss somebody on the cheek, of course, on the cheek, you kiss 3 times. 3 times. Desi brate. When you're in a restaurant, of course, you will sit down and grab a drink. Let's sit down. Konobar.